about when today I heard the model, you emphasize better ball and creating more opportunities for RHJ. When he struggled, Calvin and Jason stepped up defensively. How vital was their responses during this game was
Very important because Ronde shot really poorly. We didn't even hit 30% of his field goals. So it was important that other guys step up. They did a really good job defending Ronde, and when that happens, we have to be able to go to our counters. And Jason and Calvin were the ones who provided that firepower coming off the bench. So that's the good thing. It was a struggle for us the whole game, but at least we won with our import struggling with his offense. And I think we should be able to be better and grow from this game.
Thank you, Coach Shaw. Jason, ang laking nainambag mo this game before you had to sit down. Dahil nung nakita mo na nahihirapan sa RHJ offensively, you stepped up. Ano yung tumakbo sa isip mo noon to keep you guys in the game?
Siguro ako na nag-relate kayo ng defense. Yun na yung tinutuwa ko. At the same time, yun nga, kailangan mag-contribute sa score kasi that moment, hindi kami maka-execute ng mga shots. So, as a veteran, kailangan mag-contribute. So, siguro, natapat naman. Pero personally, sobrang hindi ganun kaganda yung team. Kasi, kung makikita niyo yung stats, kahit ako, ilang yung response RSD, and then Kukuyo. So, siguro yung defense lang namin nagpanalo sa amin.
Hindi na ako pinag-roll for questions from the press and press.
What's the congratulations? What's ang ating panatay ko rin, especially sa shooting niya? Our swing dynamics nung wala siya, how did he catch up to speed nung pabalik niya?
Our entire mindset was to make sure that our defense is on point because this was a top scoring team in the quarterfinals. Rain or Shine was averaging 115 coming into this ball game. So sabi namin, without Calvin, we knew our offense would suffer. So kailangan talaga namin mabawi with our defense. And I think that's what happened in this ball game. We won this not on our offense but with our defense, limiting them to below 90 points. And still, Calvin was able to contribute because, like I said, they did a really good job shutting down Ronde. And when that happens, it opens it up for our other players. So Jason got a lot of looks, and Calvin got a lot of looks as well. So yun yung dynamics ng team, yun ang pinag-reiterasyon namin while Calvin was away. We said the only way we will win this game really is with our defense.
Was this your third consecutive conference na kalaban ng Rainbow Sense of Chaos? I guess there are no more surprises, but are you expecting this series six na could be itikop outside shooting then magkakaroon ng game pa unlike that game?
Yeah, it's going to be a grind the whole way through. We have no illusions of that this will be easy by any means. They're a very well-balanced, well-constructed, well-coached team. They're very versatile. They have a great import with them. So we really have to be at our best. We were fortunate tonight that our defense carried us through, but there's a lot for us to improve going into game 2.
Coach, dito naman simula yung labanan kung may effect dun sa struggle ni RSD.
Some of it was he was missing shots he normally makes, but some of it they were really playing good defense. Chongson was playing excellent defense on Ronde, forcing him into difficult shots. Some of those he normally makes. Tonight it wasn't falling, but like I said, when hopefully we built our team with the versatility that if our offense is not clicking, we can fall back on our defense.
Kita dia ako sa mga kami ang
Well, sanay na naman siya doon. So hopefully, but yes, going to be something that we will have to monitor closely.
One more question. Last series, you managed to make a goal. So are you planning to do the same thing this second time?
Secret. Tatanong mo naman kagad eh.
Okay pa lang yung nangyari ng day na
Sa reaction
Oh,
sa...
by the way, sorry talaga. Sobrang accident din nangyari kasi yung momentum niya going to the ball na tsaka papas straight niya and then syempre, hindi ko naman, nasa area ko, hindi ko naman tutuwa yung nangyari. So, and sorry talaga kay Andre, pero alam naman yun.
Pero, yung concern mo pala wala ka sa court or crucial time?
Hindi naman kasi lahat naman sa...
Ako, concerned. Siya ako, concerned.
Sa atin namin, ready naman sila. Kasi internet plus ko naman sa mga requirement talaga. And yun na. To be honest, yung nagpanalo talaga sa amin dito this game is defense talaga. Even na si RSG, yung average scoring niya hindi naman. Pero on defense, siya yung talagang pinaka-anchor namin doon siya lang yung nagdilig pa sa akin. So,
Four blocks.
yeah, give credit to RSG pa rin kahit off na siya pero yung defense niya talaga namin.
Depending in terms of that's their priority. Even for siya, not just usual
Yeah, but he averaged what, 24 in the quarterfinals, diba? He was really good getting off, and yes, it was one of our priorities is really to defend no coup. And just to make him work for his points. Yung mga ganun rin, di ba mahirap yun. They'll get their points, but at least make it difficult for him.
Jason, do you see yourself as a young Gabriel Locum kasi gigising kayo?
Actually, mas magaling siya sa akin kasi mas maganda siya sa akin. Tsaka yung vertical niya, di ba? And mas maganda siyang moves. So, sobrang happy ako sa kanya kasi yung nag-evolve siya sa level na at the same time. Yun niya, yung outside shot na ngayon, ganda na. So, yung mga ganung player, natutuwa ako makita kasi mas maganda lang kung madami yung ganda sa pili. So, mas maganda naman. At the same time, nakaka-exciting din yan. So, sobrang galing.
Natin sa closing press